What's up, Throdle? I'm here at the M1 Concourse Cars and Coffee event today, and I'm here with John.
Hello, everybody.
So John, can you tell me about the car that you brought today?
Yes, I'm the second owner of a 2003 Mustang Cobra Limited Edition. These vehicles were designed for road coursing. This one here with a special track suspension has a factory supercharger Eden rated at 390 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay, awesome. So why don't we take a look at the interior of the car?
Sure.
So you've kept it all stock inside the
Pretty much. I do have some special dressings that you can see, a chrome touch to kind of bring out the dashboard there. Kind of look a basic look to it, kind of boring look to it, so I wanted to kind of bring that out a little bit. So.
Well, you know, the color is just so striking.
The color is very striking because of all the Ford yellows, this one here was just very striking, and one that I had to have, and it's called Zinc Yellow. They made 490.
Ah, very nice. One of the things I really love is the Cobra emblem, which is right here embossed in your beautiful.
Yes, that's combination suede leather really brings that interior out.
So how much more horsepower have you been able to get out of it?
I believe it was around 450 horsepower before I did the tuning. After the tuning, it went up to 527 horsepower with about 430 foot-pounds of torque.
And who helped you with that?
Paul's High Performance. He's out of Jackson, Michigan. He does an excellent job. I have an aftermarket exhaust called Bassani, so it's a 3-inch tip, which allows the hot air to go out, escape quicker. You see the supercharger, the pulley in the belt, a little bit of dressing as you notice here.
Yeah.
Other than that, that's pretty much it with this vehicle here. I just go out, enjoy, and have fun with it.
Very cool. And I noticed that you were also part of the Detroit Mustang group.
Yes, Mustang Owned Club of Southeastern Michigan, one of the largest clubs in the country and probably in the world. Yes, I've been a member for 16 years and counting.
So thanks for watching as Throttle's fueling connections and driving experiences.